Hey everybody, this is Brad from Red Pines. Today we are going to briefly discuss the wonderful world of mustard greens. What they are, nutritional value, how to use them, and how to reseed them, which is very easy. To demonstrate how easy it is, I will be assisted by a world-renowned expert on reseeding mustard greens, my granddaughter. Coming from the same family as kale, collard greens, broccoli, and cauliflower, mustard greens are a slightly peppery tasting leaf which are great for all types of foods like salads. You can put them in soups, you can saute them, you can roll them up into like cabbage rolls, and even on pizza you can sneak it in for your kids. The nutritional value mustard greens might surprise you. These heart-healthy, disease-fighting leaves are a great source of calcium, magnesium, vitamin K, which is great for your bones, and much more. To reseed mustard greens after you have been harvesting them all summer and they really aren't producing anymore, you just need to let them flower and turn brown to the point where they actually look dead. You will then see thin pods branching off the plant turn to the color brown, and they also kind of get crispy. All you do then is gently rub the pods between your fingers over a plate, and all the little tiny black seeds will fall out just like this.
Mustard green!
Will you eat a mustard green? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at all these seeds on the table.
They're escaping.
Oh, no.
You do it over the plate. A couple more.
Yeah!
Wow, you're doing great.
Whoops. Here you go. Do that one.
It's a little baby one.
That's a baby one, but look at the seeds that came out.
You look like poppy seeds.
Whoop.
They do, right?
Sorry.
Way to go. Great job. Is that fun?
Mhm.
Yeah. Look at all those seeds come out.
That's crazy. These are mustard greens.